video today, we are going to be doing like a reset this kitchen. While we was down this morning, that's always a volleyball game. David and Maria had a trash party in the kitchen. But that's okay, we're getting it. So while this is soaking and filling up, let's go over here and get all that cleaned up. So I think we're going to do taco salad tonight with supper. It's easy to make for you all having. It's not horrible in here, it's just, it's clouded. Okay, it's clouded. Clouded. This right here is Zoe. She has had, they having some kind of party at school, and they're making showmix, and that's what she bought for it, so. I think later on I'm also going to make some chocolate covered strawberries. We didn't get to make them on Valentine's Day because they were store I went, I couldn't find strawberries. So I think we're going to make them today. They probably won't be in this video, probably in the next video, but it'll be fine. While this is sitting and doing its thing, say 26. And I will also have that down below, and I will also put it right here somewhere on the screen. But yes, this is, I love it. It's simple. It will go with anything, even with the t-shirt. Yes, yes, please. I love this. Okay, so let's do some dishes. So this morning we had a volleyball.
Volleyball.
So we had two. It's volleyball.
Volleyball.
So we had two volleyball games, and she won both games. Next weekend's is her last games. Are you gonna be sad, Zoe?
No, not really. I don't think we had enough games to be sad about it.
Yeah. Well, this county's first time playing volleyball for elementary, so. Are you gonna play it again in middle school?
Probably. I don't know. Because there is still kind of some games for basketball too.
Yeah, let me run for both of it. You can play basketball and volleyball.
But we still have to practice through the whole year.
I don't think you practice like you do basketball or volleyball.
Yeah.
Because right now is middle schoolers. They done did trials for middle schoolers. Right now.
Yeah, and their first practice was a couple days ago. And they practice like almost every day. Too.
Yeah, but I don't think it will mix together.
Maybe. Can I have some chocolate?
That is for strawberries. If you don't eat the whole bag, yeah, you can.
Ow, melt it and make strawberries.
Well, you can do that if you want. You can have it and make some strawberries.
Where's a bowl?
Huh?
I need a bowl. Or like one of the containers.
You can use this one.
Or should I use that one thingy?
What
the
one
measuring
thing?
cup.
What?
The measuring cup.
Like they can see you, but. Make sure you make videos on this, okay? You all forget that you can put them dishes up. So, it's okay. We can do it. We can put them dishes up. David, please. Okay. See, let's get everything that needs to go in there. We went to Walmart last night and we got some stuff on sale. We got this. I also got bought some long johns, but this right here came from one of you Brodhead people. Oh, I think that's everything that needs to go in here. These boy takes to work with him. Put them like that for right now. Maybe. Okay. See that one. You all need to declutter my shelf. I do. This right here is my candle that I have not done anything with. We sport. I love how Evil Poaches feeds the kid. I cannot speak today. I don't know what's going on. Like, come on. I can never speak, can I, Zoe? You all didn't think I was recording, and I am. Joke's on you. Remember the last time I did this? I wasn't recording anything, and I thought I was recording. Okay. So I want to make some meatballs. Well, not with the Theodore. Zoe's not gonna like that because she don't like meatballs. But at least she can find something else to eat. Oh, are these dirty? Yeah, these are dirty. No. Okay, so this was 1 o'clock. So anything in here that I need to wash. I need to invest in one that heats up. Have you all seen them? Them things are awesome. But that's what he needs to get. You want to do pencils too? Zoe done an amazing job, like normally when she makes strawberries. So I'm going to put these in the refrigerator so they can get hardened. Looks like that one's already halfway down. So they'll be able to eat them. But these dogs, you want, please make sure you put something up so you don't have to deal with this or take or trash outside. I got a mop and everything in here now. Yes, David, you did this, didn't you? Huh? Did you do this? You played to put this? You ain't gonna comment? No comments. He said he's not taking any. He's not going to do no comments. He plays the fifth. You going to blame it on Maria? It's okay. We're getting it picked up. Again. Move. David, move. Go. This needs to go to the temple. Move, David. So this right here has dog food in it, this trash can. I got to move to the laundry room. I need to get another one like that for the cat food. I got the cat food on the porch in a tote with the lid on it. But, yeah. I'm going to get my curtains closed. I don't know how these keep opening up, but I do.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I
was going to do some more stuff, but write this card and we have to go get wood because it's supposed to be cold tomorrow.